In 2025, artificial intelligence and machine learning are not just evolving technologies, they're cornerstones of India's national strategy. With the launch of the Rs 10,300 crore India AI mission, the country is laying the foundation for a powerful AI ecosystem. From advanced GPU compute infrastructure to India-specific foundational models and talent development, the goal is clear: build sovereign AI capabilities that work for India's scale, diversity, and ambition. Startups are thriving. Over 500 proposals have emerged under the India AI program, with over 40 focused on building large language models for regional languages. Investors are taking notice. In 2024 alone, AI startups in India raised $2.3 billion. Microsoft pledged $3 billion to expand AI and cloud capabilities in the country, promising to skill 10 million Indians by 2030. The government, investors, and industry are aligned, and they're betting on India's AI leadership over the next decade. On the ground, the impact is real. Maharashtra is investing Rs 500 crore in AI for agriculture, using drones and predictive tools to improve farm yields. Andhra Pradesh is deploying AI in policing to prevent crime proactively. In the auto sector, companies are integrating AI chips for autonomous driving and real-time analytics. Even space tech startups are using AI-powered satellites to process data in orbit. Looking ahead, AI in India will go far beyond automation. It will power personalized public services, real-time healthcare monitoring, multilingual education, and disaster resilience. By 2035, India is expected to be a global force in responsible and inclusive AI, fueled by its own foundational models, chip infrastructure, and ethical governance frameworks. Over 64% of Indian enterprises are already prioritizing Gen AI adoption, setting the tone for productivity-led growth. From grassroots innovation to global leadership, India's AI journey is not just about catching up. It's about building a new, inclusive, and scalable tech future. The decade of AI has begun, and India is ready to lead.